The RideTech Leveltow system is a complete integrated package that is vehicle specific, one part number, one box, everything you need for your vehicle. When the OE manufacturer designs a suspension system, they can either design it to haul a lot of load and be really stiff. If they design it to be very soft and compliant, then when you add weight either by towing or hauling, it's going to sag, it's going to bottom out and cause a very harsh ride. By providing a variable rate air spring, automatic leveling system, and a quality monotube shock, we eliminate that compromise in your system. The Firestone air spring that we use is a smaller version of the same air spring that is used on the Class 8 semis. These springs have the ability to lift anywhere from 0 to over 4,000 pounds. In most applications, the brackets are designed to mount to existing holes in the frame and bolt to either the axle or the leaf stack. To control the air springs, we're using an OE grade compressor that has a built-in dryer to dry the air as it goes to the air springs. The compressor system also uses isolation mounts to keep the vibration of the compressor from transmitting up into the vehicle, eliminating a lot of the noise that is often found in aftermarket air management systems. The compressor is designed to be mounted anywhere on the vehicle. It has a shield to protect against dirt and debris and road grime. The sensor mounts to the frame of the vehicle and is attached to the axle or leaf spring with the rod supplied in the kit. The system runs completely automatic, but does give you the ability to turn it off and adjust it manually up and down. As the vehicle is weighted, the sensor tells the compressor when to turn on and when to turn off. This adjustability brings the vehicle back up to ride height, providing the optimum spring rate and suspension travel for the vehicle. Now that we've automatically adjusted the air springs for the varying load, we need a set of shock absorbers that are going to help control that load. The shock absorbers are the brains of any suspension system. The RideTech Leveltow shocks are designed specifically for your application to maximize ride quality and comfort, even under heavy loaded conditions. The RideTech Leveltow system is much more than just an air helper kit. It provides a complete ride quality enhancement for your towing vehicle.